Hi friends, today we are going to give you a tour of the Lone Elk County Park. This park has a scenic drive through the Missouri hills where you can view elks, bison, deer and other wildlife from your car. White-tailed Deer Shelter is the first stop that you can take where you can see some elks. This is also a good picnic spot. Elk Hollow is the next stop and this is the prime spot where you can see elks, deer and other wildlife. We saw some elks up close at this point. We saw some bison grazing along in this area. You might have to take multiple trips to be able to see some. The Elk Hollow Road has some good views of the lake and the trees, especially during the fall. Overall, we had a good experience and seeing some wildlife out in the open was amazing.